Grace, so today we are going to be doing our monkey puzzle yoga. Okay, so we're basing everything on this book. Show everybody. So monkey puzzle, excellent.
Mummy, I want my mummy.
Okay, so pop that down. So we're going to go through all the animals in the book and then we are going to read the story. Okay, but first of all we need to start with breathing. So we're going to do our bumblebee breath. So have you done bumblebee breath before?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so remember what to do. So we're going to breathe in through our nose and then we're going to make our lips hum. Okay, she's already up. So we're going to do it 3 times. Let's do it again. And one more time. Excellent, did that feel good? Could you feel it in your lips as well, tingling? It's quite cool, that, wasn't it? So we've got a few breaths before we begin. Okay, right. Let's go for our poses. So first of all, we are going to practice our monkey pose. So let's get up and show everybody our monkey pose.
So you stand up and then you put your arms down and you put your head down and you swing side to side.
Okay, so I'm going to join in with you. So legs nice and wide. That's it. And then we're just going to sway from side to side. And you can stretch the back of your legs there. Can you stretch your legs out? So if you straighten your legs a little bit, that's it. Whoop, there. Woo, like a little monkey. Awesome. Try not to fall over though. Okay, so next one, we're going to go for our elephant pose.
So you open your legs, keep your legs the same, and then it's legs for the same but not side to side.
Okay,
you put it in your legs and then out again.
So what would that be that you're swinging? This could be your
Trunk.
trunk, so you can go, can you make, actually you make the elephant noise because you're cooler than me. Can you make an elephant noise? Oh, that's a good noise. So stretching up. There we go. And then do it a bit slower this time. Can we go slower? Ooh, excellent. So that's our lovely elephant, isn't it?
Squeeze out water.
Ooh, that was a good pose, that was cool. Okay, next one, we're going to go for our spider pose. So Grace, this one, yes. Grace is really good at trying this one, aren't you? You're really good at that. I'm not sure I can even do that one, but I'll give it a go. So what we're going to do, you can get into this pose the way Grace did by putting your feet together and your hands come round. And then if you're super flexible, super strong, you can actually lift your feet up. But I'm not sure. Oh, she did it. Or another way to do it. Oh, that was amazing. Another way to do it is by starting here and pushing up. But that's not working for me. Grace is our yoga expert, so we'll leave that one to you. That was cool. Okay, next one. I know you really like this one. So this is our frog pose. So what the frogs do, they jump up and down, don't they? So we're going to open our legs wide. We're going to come down into this squat position and then hands on the floor. And then we could can you rock from side to side here? Just opening up those hips. So if you rock from side to side, you got it, that's it. And then we're going to add a little jump. Are you ready? We're going to go jump. Can you do another one? Jump. Watch your hair. And then one last time. Jump. Ooh, awesome. Ooh, I could feel myself working with that one. Okay, sitting nice and still. Oh, she's already on it. You're a wizard, aren't you? So this time we've got butterfly pose. So I'm going to put butterfly there. So Grace is already demonstrating this move. So your feet can come together and then we're just going to flap our little wings, aren't we?
If it's too easy, bring them in a bit.
Ah, well that's clever, isn't it? So bring them in a bit. Feel that stretch a little bit more for your legs, can't you? And then you've got an extra move. She's got a wings. I don't know if I can do that together. There we go. I think I'll stick with this one. Awesome. Lovely. And then, oh, this is a lovely move. This is lovely. So we've got our snake pose here. If you can see snake pose. So it's a little cobra. So Grace is very nicely demonstrating that one. Excellent. So you're looking up to the sky. So I'm coming down onto my belly. And then I'm going to push up. And then you can add a little noise. What noise are you going to make? A snake noise. Hiss. Can you hiss? There, and then bringing it back down. Okay, can you stick your toes under, and then come up to your kneeling position. Come up kneeling. Okay, next one. Parrot pose. So this one, Grace, take a breath in through your nose, and then we've got to steady. I'm going to join in with you for this one. So we've got parrot. So I don't know if you can see parrot. So let's have a look. So Grace, hold on, come up, come back on your mat. You've got to do this nice and carefully. So breathe in through your nose first of all. And then we are going to come out. See if you can hold it for longer than I can, Grace. That's it. Push that back leg out, lean forwards. That's it. Hang on to someone if you want. Okay, bring you back to standing. We're going to try the other side this time, because I know you can do this very well. That's it. That's it. I'm going to try. We're both going to fly like parrots. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's amazing, Grace. Well done. That was really good. We're going to stay standing for this next one. We've got our back pose.
Grace.
Oh, it does say Grace, doesn't it? It says, so this is our little back pose, but it says you've got to have grace because your name means you're very graceful.
Grace. It says my name.
Very special. So pop that, shall we pop it here? Let's pop that one there. Okay, so this one's very similar to the last move. So I'm going to hold on. Oh, careful. Remember to breathe before you do it. So come back onto your feet. Are you ready? Breathe in. And then slowly, and then you're going to bring that foot back. So you're going to pull it back and then lean forwards. You've got to keep hold of your foot. There you go. So watch me. Hold on. There you go. That's it. Hold that pose. You ready? Come back. So if you take your foot here, Grace, watch it. Hold it just there. That's it. Lovely. And then what we're going to do, we're going to use our other hand to point forwards. Hold that balance, focus, really spread the toes out on your standing foot. Oopsie. Are you ready? I'm going to lean forwards. I'm going to lean forwards. I'm going to push forwards. I'm going to hold it there. And then come back up. Okay, let's try the other side this time. So see if you've got better balance on this side. So take your other foot in your hand. Is that the other side? Or is it the same side? That's it. There you go. Up, focus. Breathe in and breathe out. If you do it slowly, you might go a little bit better there. You've really got to focus. You ready? Holding on to that side. Whoa, I'm falling over. Rebalance. Sometimes, if you lose your balance, something really good to help you is if you look at something at the distance to keep your balance. So at the minute we've got, you could focus on your koala bear in the window. So keep your eyes on koala bear. Breathe in. Focus your eyes on koala bear. And then lean forwards very gently. That might just help you to keep your balance a little bit better. Is it helping? Yeah, have a look. Focus. That's it. Good girl. Excellent. Okay, and is that everything? Is that all of our moves? Have we done them all? Let's count. We've got 8. So can you count all of our moves up?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Amazing. Okay, so next thing we're going to do. Now we've had a practice at our moves. We're going to read our lovely story, Monkey Puzzle. Okay, so you ready? Okay, so Grace is going to be demonstrating all the moves throughout the book. Okay, so here we go. This is, I don't know if you can actually see me here, but we'll try our best. Okay, we've got Monkey Puzzle, so let's have a little look.
Shall I show the pictures every time?
Now you can show sometimes, I think. It says, I've lost my mum, said the monkey. So Grace is doing our lovely monkey pose. That's it, fabulous.
I'm going to show them the picture.
We can do it on this one. I'll read this bit and then you can go show them. It says, hush little monkey, don't you cry. I'll help you find her, said Butterfly. Let's have a think. How big is she? She's big, said the monkey. Bigger than me. Bigger than you. Then I've seen your mum. Come, little monkey. Come, come, come. Or maybe, do you want to show them this page? Go on then. So what we're going to do next?
The elephant pose. No, that's not my mummy.
Excellent. That was really good. I think you've read this book before. Are you ready? It says, no, that's an elephant. You got elephant pose. My mum isn't a great grey hunk. She hasn't got tusks or a curly trunk. Woo! She doesn't have great thick baggy knees. And anyway, her tail curls around trees. She curls around trees, then she's very near. Quick, little monkey. She's over here.
If you might have this book at home, you can read it.
Isn't it? Okay, it says, no, 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 that's a snake. Well, snake pose. Mum doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither and hiss. You do hiss, you've got to be careful when you do that, nice and slow. She doesn't curl around nests of eggs. And anyway, my mum's got more legs. It's legs we're looking for now, you say. I know where she is. Come this way. Are you ready? Are you going to show them or not?
I'm a spider. Creepy.
Creepy spider. No, 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 that's a spider. Mum isn't black and hairy and fat. She's got so many legs. Well, she's not got so many legs as that. She'd rather eat fruit than swallow a fly. And she lives in tree tops way up high. Do you remember how to do that pose? You've got to put your hands through your legs. Can you do that one? That's it. Really good. Well done, Grace. She lives in the trees. You should have said. Your mummy's hiding above your head. Ready? Do you want to show them?
Fly away.
Okay, it says, no, 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 that's a parrot. Mum's got a nose and not a beak. She doesn't squawk and squabble and shriek. Parrots are flying when it's like an aeroplane. So that, yes, there, hands out nice and wide. See if you can hold it. Hold that pose. Hold it. She doesn't squawk and squabble and shriek. She doesn't have claws or feathery wings. And anyway, my mum leaps and springs. I've got it. She leaps about. She's just around the corner without a doubt. No, 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 that's a frog. Butterfly, butterfly, please don't joke. Mum's not green and she doesn't croak. She's not at all slimy. Oh dear, what a muddle. She's brown and furry and nice to cuddle. Brown fur? Why didn't you tell me so? We'll find her in no time. Off we go.
Huh? Who is that?
Your back pose is here, this one. Okay. No, 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 that's a bat. Why do you keep on getting it wrong? Mum doesn't sleep the whole day long. I told you she's got no wings at all. That was really good, Grace. See if you can hold that pose. I told you. And anyway, she's not nearly so smart. That's really impressive. Good girl. Your mum's not little. Now let me think. She's down by the river having a drink. No, 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 that's the elephant again. Butterfly, butterfly, can't you see? None of these creatures look like me. You never told me she looked like you. Of course I didn't. I thought you knew. I didn't know. I couldn't. You see, none of my babies look like me. So who are these babies?
Caterpillars.
Caterpillars, so they don't look like the butterfly, do they? We're doing that caterpillar pose. Awesome.
Even though we don't have it.
It's cool though, isn't it? We can do that. She looks like you. Well, if that's the case, we'll soon discover a hiding place. No, 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 that's my dad. I like it. Come on, little monkey. Come, come, come. It's time I took you home to Mum. That was awesome, wasn't it? Did you enjoy that story? That was pretty cool. You did awesome practicing all of your yoga poses and that was an excellent job, so well done, Grace. Okay, so last thing that we're going to do now, we are going to go on to our sun salutation. So we've done this song before, haven't we? Okay. So if you'd like to join in with us, then you absolutely can do so.
And if you used to go to Lowell's family yoga class, you'll know this.
Exactly, we love this one. salutation, dance for the sun. I can do it, you can do it, we can do it. Sun salutation. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. Sorry. Dance for the sun. I can do it, you can do it, we can do it. Are we ready? So stand at the front of our mats. Here we go. Stretch up high, down low, tickle your toes, jump back, just like a frog, belly on the ground, look at the stars. Oops. Now downward dog. That's it. Hold it there and breathe. And breathe. Waggle your tail if you want. And breathe. Are we ready? Feet jump up. Feet jump up, just like a frog. Keep down. Hang down low. Tickle your toes. Stretch up high. Mountain pose. Excellent. Okay, breathe. Are we ready? Stretch up. Stretch up high. Hang down low. Tickle your toes. Feet jump back. Keep your breath. Belly on the ground. Good job. Look at the sun. I said the wrong word. Now downward dog. That's it. Wiggle your tail. And breathe. And breathe. Are we ready? Feet come up. Feet jump up. Just like a frog. Oh, hang on.
Tickle your toes.
Stretch up high. Mountain pose. Take a breath. Are we ready? Salutation, dance for the sun. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. I can do it, you can do it, we can do a sun salutation. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. I can do it. Woo, careful! We can do a sun salutation. Wow, did you enjoy that? That was super cool, wasn't it? Right, we're going to say thank you very much for everyone from joining us today.
All because of the monkey puzzle.
Yeah, did you ask them if they enjoy themselves?
Did you enjoy yourselves?
If you enjoyed it, let's ask them to leave us a comment. Can they leave a comment on our
Or
Facebook?
a video.
Or a video. You could send your videos to us, couldn't you? And then we can see how you've all been getting on. Okay, so come back and let's say, give them a wave, goodbye. You ready? Let's wave from our mats and say, hope to see you again. See you later, everyone. Thank you. Go and give them a kiss.